This wallet might not be in your hands yet, but that's going to change fast. Let me break down the full game plan for executing a rug and securing massive profits. Before I spill the whole strategy, let's fix a critical error. If your plan involves pump fun, stop it right now and pay attention. Scroll through Photon's pump fun feed and you'll spot new meme coins appearing every damn second. At this very moment, KRVS and Snaky popped up, but they're going nowhere fast. The problem? Pump funds become a free-for-all where any random can mint a token. Radium puts us on easy mode. Scan the recent launches, and there's just 8 new coins were minted in the last 5 minutes. Minimal crowding. And the appetite? Massive. Look at these stats. Tens of thousands in liquidity, millions in market cap, massive gains. The market trusts Radium projects since they require actual coding skills. That's our edge. Let me break it down. Meet your new secret weapon, launch tool, zero coding, maximum results. Your coin goes live on Radium in under 2 minutes. Month-long track record, life-changing profits every time. I just hunted down the perfect logo for my project on Google. As always, I keep it true to SpongeBob. Now fire up Canva, make a 128 by 128 image, crop the sides if required, and save it. Easy peasy. Time to bring our meme coin to life. Fire up your browser and go to launchtool.io. Make sure it's the legit site. Kick things off by linking your wallet. Just click Select Wallet and choose the one you usually use. Next up, branding. Punch in a fire name like SpongeCoin and a slick symbol like SPONGE. For the description, jot down a couple lines about your coin. Think the SpongeBob official coin. Don't forget to upload your Canva-made logo. All set, smash that next button. Next up, you'll define the total supply of your coin. The auto-filled amount is spot on, 1 billion sponge coins. Leave everything as is and click Next to proceed. Now you'll see the creator information page. It's basically a trap to make you spend on ads, but trust me, it's useless. Your liquidity pool is on Radium, and that's where your buyers will come from. No need to waste 0.1 Solana here, just toggle it off and click Skip. Again, there's no real reason to add more exposure. You can straight up leave the website and social media fields blank and just tap Skip. Now you'll see the revoke options. Don't touch these. Sure, it's 0.3 Solana, but this is what keeps your project safe and legit. If you disable them, you could block trades, mint extra tokens, or alter metadata, which screams scam to investors. They check this stuff before buying, and if it's off, your token is dead on arrival. Swallow the cost now, gain trust later. Then click Launch My Token Now. And confirm the transaction when prompted. Once you move to the next section, hit the final button at the bottom to pull up your token details on SolScan. If the screen seems glitched, no worries. You didn't create an NFT by mistake. Close it out, wait a short while, then relaunch it from the launch tool. After reopening, it should load properly, showing your total supply, token name, and trading symbol. Time to head back to Launch Tool and get our liquidity pool rolling. Click Create Liquidity Pool, which sends you to Radium. For the base token, select your newly created token. Go back to Launch Tool, grab your token's address, click the first icon above the pool button, and paste it into the search bar. Add your token's symbol and name, then hit Add User Token and pick yours. If you forgot to connect your wallet, do it now. I made 1 billion tokens total, so for initial liquidity, I'll add 900 million to the pool. The quote token has to be Solana. Dump in all your soul, but keep 0.2 Solana aside for the fees. Remember, you're the first buyer, so it's free money. Choose 2% fees, click Initialize Liquidity Pool, and approve the TX. Congrats, your meme coin's officially live. Next up, jump into Photon and switch the filter to Radium. My new coin should pop up, click it, then copy the address straight from the URL. Just take everything after the last / and that's your token's address. Go to dexscreener.com, click on any coin and paste the address of your coin, drop it into the URL after the final /. Now you're looking at the token's chart. Yeah, there are a few tiny bids, but those are just bot plays trying to catch a steal. The big money hasn't moved in yet, so I'm just going to kick back and see what happens. Just dropped $150, that's 1.3 Sol, into this play. 500 million coins, and the chart instantly went parabolic. Price is absolutely ripping. Liquidity surged to $575, and we're up 11 times in just 4 minutes. This is insane momentum right now. Paper hands already dumping? Classic. But wait, Whale just slapped down $94, 0.8 Sol, and this thing's still pumping. Told you radium was the move. Chart's looking stupid right now. Okay, this strat is really fantastic. Since you own the pool, you're basically printing money. No marketing, no risk, basically no competition. And the best part? You can rinse and repeat this. Just got another $70 buy, and after 7 minutes, this thing's still pumping. But let's be real, time to soft rug before some whale dumps and nukes the chart. Secure the bag, take those juicy profits, and ghost. Jump back into Radium and navigate to the Portfolio tab. Stay on standard mode in My Positions. Sometimes your tokens take a sec to load. If they're not there yet, chill for a bit and refresh. When they show up, click the minus sign, max out the slider to 100%, and select Remove Liquidity. Approve the TX and you're done. Cash is back in your hands. Before I created this token, my wallet had a single Solana. Fast forward a few minutes, and boom, 1.8, 80% gain, and this is by far my worst day yet. Easy money for almost no work. This is not financial advice, and I'm not connected to any platforms I mention, but their links are in description. This play is insane right now, but trends don't last indefinitely. You snooze, you lose, so act fast before it's gone.